tissue is ground tissue. So, ground tissue is present in between or inside. Understood? So, these ground tissues are of three types. Okay. These are of three types. One is parenchyma. Second one, collenchyma. Third one, sclerenchyma. So these are three types of tissues: parenchyma, sclerenchyma, and parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. These are the three types of ground tissues. Now, parenchyma are thin cell wall. If you see the differences here cell wall is thin. Here cell wall is thick. Here also cell wall is thick. Next, the second difference what we find among these three is parenchyma, they have intercellular space between the cells, means cells are loosely packed. Here cells are loosely packed, means there are intercellular spaces are present in between the cells. And here in case of collenchyma, intercellular space is present. Intercellular space is present, but compared to parenchyma, it is very less. In case of sclerenchyma, no intercellular space is present. No, tightly packed. These cells are tightly packed. Understood? What do you mean by this? See here, these are the cells. So here, in between the cells, what you will find? Space is there. So I mean to say, these are loosely packed, in the sense more space is present in between the cells. So in case of parenchyma, intercellular space is present. That means space is present here also collenchyma, but compared to parenchyma it is less. In case of sclerenchyma, no space is present. That means completely packed. Cells are tight and they not have any types of intercellular space. Got it? So this is about sclerenchyma. Now let us see the function. Parenchyma, they help in photosynthesis. Help in photosynthesis. They also help in storage. They help in storing air, water. Understood? Next, collenchyma, they give mechanical support. Sclerenchyma, they also give mechanical support to the plant. Understood? They give strength and mechanical support. This also give mechanical support. Cell wall is thin. Cell wall is thick here. In case of sclerenchyma also cell wall is thick. Here cells are loosely packed. Some intercellular spaces are present here. And cells are tightly packed. In case of parenchyma cells helps in photosynthesis and they help in storing air, water. Next, and food also. Next, collenchyma, they give mechanical support. Sclerenchyma also give mechanical support. Understood? Now, Parenchyma cells are further divided into three types. Based upon their functions, these are divided into three types. Okay, so what are the three types? Let us see. First one is chlorenchyma. Chlorenchyma. Next, arenchyma. Arenchyma. Third one is storage tissue. Storage tissue. So what do you mean by this? Chlorenchyma means the parenchyma cells which have chlorophyll and which help in photosynthesis. They are called as chlorenchyma. They help in photosynthesis. Next type is arenchyma. These cells are loosely packed and they store air. Okay, these are filled with air. That's why these are called arenchyma. Next, storage tissue. They store water and food. That's why these tissues are called storage tissues. So, chlorenchyma, arenchyma, storage tissue. These are the three types of parenchyma tissues.